Kia ora, ¿cómo estás? Cactila. It's time for your cat's daily tarot reading. Psst, psst, psst. Let's see what the energies are today. While I'm doing my shuffling, everyone, it's PSA time. I don't do private readings. If anybody approaches you on any platform, please know it's not me, and block, report, or ignore, for it is a scam. And what is our card of the day today? Oh, yeah! Our card of the day today, everyone, is the World. And our underlining energy is the High Priestess. Oh. Scooch. The World, the final card of the major arcana. The World represents completion. In the four corners, we have the four elements, 3 delicious food groups, and the fire used to cook them. This card finds you well fed, satisfied, and purring. Let the wide world open. And the High Priestess, like an unexpected doorbell chime on a boring day. A visit from this card is both welcome and mysterious. So our key words today are going to be success, achievement, mystery, and intuition. So, may you have a mysterious success today, everyone. And do come back tomorrow, meow, for another daily energy reading. Have a perfect day. Bye-bye.